Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. I'm your Prajesh again. In this video today, I would like to talk about the newly launched facelifted Maruti Suzuki Swift, which gets some new features and a mildly updated exterior design. In terms of exterior updates, the new Maruti Suzuki Swift gets a new honeycomb mesh pattern for the grille along with a chrome slat running across the center. The headlamps too get a slightly updated design along with LED projector units and LED DRLs. The front bumper looks almost the same as before, with only slight changes to the fog lamp housings. While the rear of the new Maruti Suzuki Swift does not get any change whatsoever, with this 2021 update, the top spec ZXi Plus variant gets a dual tone contrast roof option by offering a black roof for the white and red colors and a white contrast roof for the blue color. Coming to the interior, the new 2021 Maruti Suzuki Swift gets the exact same interior layout along with comfortable seats. However, this 2021 updated Swift gets a new design pattern on the fabric upholstery and some new silver finish on the center console. Key feature additions on the interior of the new Swift includes a multicolor TFT instrument cluster MID similar to the one seen on the Maruti Suzuki Baleno, an updated 7-inch SmartPlay Studio infotainment system which offers Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and finally leather-wrapped steering wheel with cruise control on the top spec ZXi Plus variant. While all variants come as standard with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, ISOFIX child seat mounts, engine immobilizer and reverse parking sensors, the 5-speed AMT gearbox equipped variants will also be getting ESP traction control with hill hold as standard. The most significant update on the 2021 Maruti Suzuki Swift is the more powerful 1.2-liter dual-jet naturally aspirated K12N 4-cylinder petrol engine, which produces 90 PS of maximum power along with 130 Nm of maximum torque through either a 5-speed manual transmission or a 5-speed AMT gearbox. This new engine is more powerful than the existing 83 PS engine and will also be offered with an idle start-stop function to improve fuel efficiency. Finally comes the pricing. The new 2021 Maruti Suzuki Swift is priced from Rs 5.73 lakh ex-showroom for the manual LXi base variant and goes up to Rs 7.91 lakh for the top spec ZXi Plus dual tone manual variant. The AMT range, on the other hand, starts from Rs 6.86 lakhs for the VXi AMT variant and goes up to Rs 8.41 lakh for the top spec ZXi Plus dual tone AMT variant. These prices make the new 2021 Maruti Suzuki Swift around 50,000 more expensive than the existing pre-facelift model. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this 2021 Maruti Suzuki Swift. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.